Yes, good morning everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about Google Maps. So, I think you all know about Google Map. Google Map is a free web mapping services from Google. Okay, that provide you various type of geographical information. Fine. It also provide you real-time traffic condition. Okay, and it is best viewed in mobile devices, mobile application. If you want to use this service, if you want to see the current or real-time traffic conditions, so it work better in mobile device rather than web version. Okay, and next is it also provide us the facility to upload the photos related to a particular place, so that whenever any user is searching for any place, so he or she can get the images also. Fine. Even we can get the address of particular shop, mall. Okay, we can get the contact number, we can get the images of that particular place. Okay, even we can get the timings of opening and closing of the particular shop. Okay, so basically it provides us a lot of things, and it is not limited like a paper map. Okay, you can view the map of all the world. Okay, any country, any continent, any city, any shop. Okay, so you can view all the things. It is not limited. Next is, now let me tell you first how to open Google Map and how to use the different views. Also, we have different views like satellite view, okay, and some other views, and we will also see how to get the direction of a particular shop. Okay, fine. So just see, in order to open Google Map, open your web browser and type maps.google.com. You can also use this in mobile, okay, as application. The application is pre-installed in Android devices. Okay, so now first see different views. Here, if you can see, this is street view images, then show imagery, and next is, let me explore it more, satellite view. Okay, so let's click on satellite view. When you click on satellite view, you will see the map just as an image captured by satellite. Okay, and also check this one, street view, but street view is not available in all the places. Okay, see here we have some more views, like you can see it like a globe. Okay, the traffic view we can see the green means there is no traffic, and as the color changes, here you can see a little traffic, more traffic, and more traffic. Okay, so this is by this way you can see the traffic details also. Okay, then for transit also we can see in which route the train and buses are running. Okay, you can also share the location by using this location sharing option. Okay, and next is now how to search. Suppose you want to search a place like South Avenue. You see it is already here. Click on it and it will tell you the location and the map. See, here it is. This is South Avenue Mall, Jabalpur. Okay, so it will give you location and also if you see, it will give you so many of its images. When you click on it, you will see many images, some information, the address. You can also see like I have visited this in July 2019. I went over this place. It will also tell you the opening and closing time. See, it is Monday to Saturday morning 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So right now it is closed. You can also see the website address, the contact number, and many other things. You can also see the comments, rating, review. Okay, and there are so many pictures also, videos also. So we can have different information about any particular place with the help of Google Map. Also, you can share this the location from this share option. Okay. Next is you can also search the nearby places. If I click on it, you will see some nearby places. Okay. What you want to search nearby restaurant, hotels, bars. Okay. And if you want to reach to that place from your location, so you can get the direction also. Click on it. It is asking you from where. So since GPS is not there in the laptop, so I can choose from my home. So this is the total path. I can go from this way, this one. Okay, so it is only 7.7 kilometer. It will take 17 minutes. If I choose this route, this one, so it will again 17 minute, and the distance is 8.8 kilometer. And if I choose this route, so the distance is 8.7 kilometer and it will take 20 minutes. Now you can see here it is the distance is more and time is less. Here distance is less and time is more because of the traffic. It also include the traffics. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you all how to use Google Map, and I hope you all enjoyed this. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.